Hey, sixth graders, this is journal number 3, just how to do the instructions. I'm going to go through my example really quick with you, and then I want you to go ahead and work on this for about 10 minutes per day. It needs to be turned in on paper unless you are absent for like 10 to 12. If you're like quarantining, you're not going to be here for 10 to 12 days, then you can do it digital and turn it in that way. Otherwise, everything else needs to be done by paper. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to create a list from A to Z. Now, I know I've done the computer, but I'm only doing that just so I can do this video. Otherwise, I would be doing it on paper too. So you got a list and try to fill in, number 2, you try to fill in as many letters as you can. And number 3, you must do at least 20 of the letters, meaning that there's 26 letters in the alphabet, so 5 you don't have to do. So all you do is you do this list and you start to think about things that are important to you. Okay, so I'll start. I'm just going to do a couple of them. So you guys know that I'm totally in love with the musical Hamilton. And I also like the Timberwolves. I also like the Twins as well. I also have a dog named Rascalberry. I have a husband named Jake. And the Army is very important to us. So I'm going to go back up here to the A. And then another thing that's important to us is the Minnesota National Guard. So I'm going to go down here to the B. Okay, should I put my kids on there? I suppose I should do Lucy. I should do Sam. Jeez, and now the rest, I'm going to have to really think about. Oh, you know what? I love a really nice rainy day. Like when you can just sit around and read. Another R. And I'm going to go up here to books and probably down here to yoga as well. Okay, so another thing that's really important to me, especially as I get older and my family's really far away, actually my friends are super important to me. And then family as well. But I think after a certain age, my friends are kind of like my family at this point. Let's see, my favorite food, I love pizza and tacos. My favorite restaurant right now is probably, well, I really like a lot of restaurants. But I really like turtles in Shakopee. So yummy. My favorite thing to do during COVID, actually, I really like puzzles. So you can see I'm really just starting to think about things that I like to do, things that were important to me, something about me. I would say that I'm pretty smiley. I believe that smiles kind of go a long way. So I'll put that there, but I also am very opinionated about things. Maybe you guys will see, maybe you won't as that comes along. Okay, so that's what you got to do today, B Day Kids, and then A Day Kids, you will have this assignment as well. So go ahead and turn that in, do that and work, and you may cheat off me if you want. You can certainly take some of my examples. I imagine the Minnesota National Guard is not as important to you as it is to me, but you certainly can steal like the Timberwolves and the Twins and the tacos and all those good things. So happy journaling. Thank you. Bye.